Validation. People spend their entire life seeking approval. Though it's a waste of time and it never works. The desire to get people to like me motivates the majority of your choices and actions. This need for approval or validation is impacting your performance negatively in all corners of your life. You avoid doing important things. You feel fear and anxiety. You find yourself stuck up in every direction. Even if you are not a validation seeker, you are just a parent, a kid, an office going person. Still watch this video till end. What is this validation or approval seeking behavior? There are many people who live under the impression that they are not good enough, and that in order for them to become whole and complete, to feel fully loved and appreciated, they have to get the approval of those around them. This is what we call as validation. You may argue that you are not one of them and you do not engage in any such behavior. It's fine. One perfect example from our daily life is Facebook. Have you ever checked your Facebook likes? Counted them? This is called seeking validation. We share photos and put a status on Facebook in the hope of getting approved by our Facebook friends. When someone comments you look good, you look hot, we feel happy. And this need for validation from others has evolved more because of this social media and the way people frame themselves and their identity based on how others respond to their posts. As long as you don't consider Facebook as an extension of your identity and you are not getting obsessed or forcing people to directly or indirectly like your updates, you are doing fine. But social media is not the only measuring scale. Do you change your viewpoint or soften it to appease your boss or someone else? Do you compliment people around you even if you don't mean it so they will like you? Do you always say yes to people's demand even if it means compromising your boundaries? Do you fail to speak up if someone has treated you unfairly, maybe by a co-worker, neighbor, or your superior in the office? Do you become upset or insulted when someone disagrees with you or point out mistakes in your work? If you agree to any one point from what I said, you are a validation seeker, with varying degree, of course. Validation is part of being interdependent and relying on the feedback and encouragement of others. Even very independent people still need validation in some aspects of their life. However, they are also able to accept their own self-validation if they do not get it from someone else. The problem arises when self-validation is not possible or is not valued if an individual puts the opinion, approval, or recognition of someone else over their own feelings. They will need that external, other person's validation on an ongoing basis. A large part of validation seeking behavior comes from our parents. This is a very important point. Please note, a large part of this validation comes from our parents. They are first and the biggest reason for inculcating this in our mindset. It is very much possible that somewhere your parents are responsible for this. Every parent wants their kid to succeed. And they want this for the benefit of their kids, of course. But parents also want them to succeed for themselves, for their own sake, because the children's success validates them as good parents. We as a parent want them to score the highest in the tests. We want them to be the class topper. We want them to win in all sports, singing competitions and whatnot. If they fail, somehow as a parent we fail. So we pressurize them to be successful at all cost. Both for the sake of our children's and our own happiness, it's time to break out this validation cycle and focus on just being the best parent you can be under any circumstances. Sometimes things work out, sometimes they don't. As long as you as a parent putting an effort, take pride in that. Don't teach your children to be better than everyone. Rather than tell them to be better than what you were yesterday. If you can relate to what I said, try focusing on how your need for approval is pushing you to do too much instead of participating in things that are important to you. When you find yourself getting hurt by doing things for others at the expense of yourself, it's time to make a change. This approval or validation from others is very addictive, and you quickly develop a need for more. When you have a need for approval, you value the beliefs, opinions, and needs of others above your own needs. It's very important to understand how your need for approval is holding you back from doing tasks that are important to you. Once you move past this, you will be free to achieve and create what you want in life with much less stress, because you won't be so occupied worrying about what others will think. Before coming to the point on how to get rid or how to break this cycle of validation, I want to clear one more thing: the difference between seeking validation and seeking advice. When you are seeking validation, you want the person to say what you want. And when you are looking for advice, you want the person to be brutally honest and speak the heart out. Now, to break this cycle of validation, the effective first step is to understand the type of validation you are mostly seeking. Do you want to be acknowledged through social media? Are you interested in hearing that you are one and the most important person in that WhatsApp group? Best among all, a great cook, a master of all, or the most knowledgeable person? Break this cycle and learn to look internally for validation. First and the best step is to take a social media break. This eliminates the comparison to others or the anxiety and stress about how your post is being seen and received by others. And stop forwarding junk in WhatsApp groups to show your knowledge or existence. Nobody needs that. There are search engines on internet for information and knowledge. Be mindful. Look carefully at what you are doing. Look for improvements and make a record. You can make a mental note or in a diary. These are self-validations that help you build up your acknowledgement of your own abilities, your talents, your skill. Do not ask for validation. Instead of seeking validation from others, ask yourself first. Do not continue to ask others or seek out others for validation. And also keep this in mind, that validation is not a bad thing in your life. It is self-assuring and positive. Opinions are very important. It only becomes problematic when it becomes the focus of all you do, and when you only need validation. Everybody admires people who are authentic, who are true to themselves. If you don't agree with someone's opinion, thought, or act, be honest and state your opinion in a very respectful manner. Then if somebody is upset that you disagree, the problem is with them, not you. People who receive maximum approvals in life are the ones who care the least about it, and the ones who get the least approvals are the ones who are going after it. Stop needing it, and thanks for listening to me. Live a no validation needed life.